What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So ordered the Pixel 6 Pro on the launch day on Tuesday and I am set to get it next week, but I'm going to get hands-on with it today thanks to my good friends in the local O2 shop, which you can see right here. So I'm going to go in there and get hands-on with it. So yeah, let's go get it checked out. So here we are on site in the O2 shop with the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. So we want to get them into these cradles and get a hands-on look at them. And here we are hands-on with the Pixel 6. So this is dual cameraed, as you can see here in the rear. And this is the nice grey finish as well. Two-tone grey, lighter tone at the top. The body on this one you can see is like a matte finish. So it sort of differentiates it from the Pixel 6 Pro, but it's nice. There's a notice this one is a bit heavier than the Pro, surprisingly, for some strange reason. But the bump is a bit bigger, as you can see there. So yeah, not bad, not bad. But again, 120 Hz, pretty snappy. And side by side, not much of a difference between the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. So not a big massive difference there in screen size, which is pretty good. As you can see, camera bump is a bit higher on the body of the phone in the Pixel 6 than it is in the Pixel 6 Pro. Here we go, hands-on Pixel 6 Pro. First impressions, it is really light compared to the likes of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This thing is super light. And 120 Hz is really sharp and snappy, and get just a good look at that camera bump there with the triple cameras. See how deep the third camera goes in? It's so awesome. And then the camera bump isn't as big and obtrusive as I thought it was going to be, if I'm being truthfully honest. Yeah, obviously we're in demo mode here at the minute, but it's good to get hands-on with it. Strangely as well, on the Pixel 6 Pro, you see here the body at the side is all sort of glossy as well, which is sort of an indication that it's a Pro phone. But it is crazy how light this thing is. Hello. So guys, that's the first hands-on of the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, I like them and they look pretty good. So I'm excited to get my actual phone, which I'm going to get next week, all being well. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below, guys. And if you haven't already, smash that like button. Really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Until the next one, guys, I'll catch you later.